Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate a banned Instagram account step by step. So without any delay, let's dive right in. First, when you try to log in, you will see a message saying your Instagram account has been suspended, along with some other details. At the bottom, you will notice a blue button labeled as Appeal. Now go ahead and tap on that. On the next page, you will be prompted to complete a human verification test, which involves solving a captcha. Simply enter the correct words and click Next. After that, you will need to enter the email address linked to your Instagram account. Make sure you're logged into this email on one of your devices. Then tap Send Code. You'll receive an email containing a 6-digit code. Enter the code on the next page and tap Next. Now, you'll be asked to provide your phone number. Select your country, enter your number, and tap Send Code. Shortly after, you will receive a text message with another 6-digit code. Enter that code and hit Next. Finally, you'll see a message saying, "We are reviewing your information." Instagram will take some time to verify everything, and within a day or two, you should be notified about the status of your account. Once it's reviewed, you'll be able to access your Instagram account again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.